One of the fastest ways to generate free traffic and sales right now is to advertise on a forum. In particular, advertise in forum marketplaces. These are places where people come with the intent to buy. Here's how to create effective forum ads. Picking the marketplace. Where you advertise your product depends entirely on what you're selling. If you're selling copywriting services, for example, you might post your ad on a couple copywriting boards and a couple internet marketing boards. If you're selling a guide on how to write copy, you'll have to limit yourself to forums that allow advertisements of products, not just services. Specific industries also have their own niche forums that often have marketplaces. For example, in the candle industry there are forums where people can buy and sell homemade candles of different sorts. Identify and find a few marketplaces that match the products you're selling. Figuring out the price. More often than not, forum prices have a pretty set marketplace. There tends to be a range. For example, marketing guides on the Warrior Forum tend to sell for $5 to $20. Writing services on Digital Point range from $3 a piece to $8 a piece, while the range is double that on the Warrior Forum and Wikidfire. Figure out what the price range is on the forums you're targeting. Aim to be within that range, but closer to the top of the range if possible. Creating your ad. Write an attention-catching title. The title is what people will see when they're browsing many ads and is the most important part of your post. Make sure the offer is clear within 3 seconds of opening your post. What exactly are you selling? What makes it different? Why you and not someone else? Write proof-laden, benefit-heavy copy. Make a big claim about why they should buy from you, while backing it up with proof and more proof. What to expect? People who browse marketplaces in forums basically have their credit card or PayPal address in hand. They're looking to buy. Let's say you're selling a guide on how to make your first $500 online. You go to the Warrior Forum and set up a WSO. Simultaneously, 100 beginning marketers are reading the WSO section, looking for a guide that'll help guide them through their first steps. That's a perfect supply meets demand scenario. There's very little thinking time or hesitation, because they've actually already decided to buy the moment they opened the forum. You just had to convince them that your product was the right one. In short, forum ads can bring in a quick influx of sales. You don't need to build backlinks or split test anything. You don't even need to risk any money. Just find an appropriate forum, write a great ad and watch the sales come in.